Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
I'm in the she shop. I don't want to be in the she shop. I don't want to do anything today. My eyes are burning so bad from the wildfires from Canada. My nose is irritated, and my eye, this eye in particular, is like on fire. Like I keep doing this and it's watering and I don't know what's going on. So I don't really want to be in here today. I cleaned up a little bit and then Fred gave me another chair. What, did you corner the market, Fred? Like, it's the same chair. It's just upholstered different. My cats have been sitting on it, so I had to get it out of the living room. I gotta get the cat hair off of it. This one is stained. A lot, Fred. A lot. Stained a lot. It's stained. It's dirty. It's getting painted. And Jacquard sent me all these paints, right? And I don't want to use them. I bought my own paint. I'm laughing because I'm like, you know, they sent me 8 ounces. 8 ounces. And I went, that's not going to be enough to do a chair. And he's like, oh, it'll go a long way. And I'm like, dude, no. No, it won't. Like, it's not going to cover, 8 ounces and cover that chair, right? So I bought paint. I'll show you. Oh, I suppose I should cover my address, but here I bought it. I'm going to show you what I bought because I'm all excited about that. I don't want to be in here because I'm feeling not feeling it today. Previewing our next project with Jacquard because I don't know how much I'm going to get done on this today. But I bought Neptune. Isn't that pretty? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Are we seeing it? So this is a metallic again. I know. If you don't want to use metallic, you don't get metallic. I'm getting metallic. I'm kind of in love with it. So it's another metallic-y. And all I keep thinking is, so this chair is quilted. Can you see? Can you see the quilting? Now imagine the metallic paint on the quilt. I bought 2 this time because I don't want to run out. And I was so afraid last time on that small chair that I was going to run out, right? So I'm like, and this is a much, much larger chair, for real. I mean, my chair that I did with the blue, we had the 1 8-ounce. And I almost didn't have enough. So I didn't want to take a chance because this is a full fabric back, front and back of back, fabric arms, and a very large fabric seat. It's a very nice wide chair. I like to never got that thing in here. It's so wide. So, are we going to start this today? Possibly. I'm debating on the arms. So, I feel like Fred painted these. I don't feel like these are stained. They're not the original stain. I feel like they're brown paint. Let me show you. That feels like paint to me. And part of me thinks I just distress these up a little. I feel like just letting them be distressed is going to be the way to go instead of repainting this whole thing. And then get you see how dirty it is, though. It's very dirty. It's very stained. And my cats have been loving on it. But it's got stains over there. It's dirty all throughout. It's faded on the front, stains on the arm. The back's lovely. Hang on. It's blocking the light, but the back is really pretty. And the quilting is in really good shape back here, but you can see what I'm talking about. Like the metallic will just shimmer on this. So I'm very excited to use the metallic. But choices have to be made about those arms. And it's wood along the front panel. And it's the same, so I would have to, like, I'm thinking just distress. Just rub it down and, like, get it really distressed. And then give it metallic paint. We can always tape the arms off, or tape it all off afterwards if I don't like it. So, I mean, it might be a, let's paint this, see how it goes. And then see what we're dealing with. I say we try it on the arms right away because I want to see it. Anyone else game? You know, you can paint wood with this too. So if it comes down to it and I don't like the brown with the silver, we can just paint it the same color and then give it a little distress. I don't know. I don't know if I like the detail of having the two separate or if we just paint it the same. Ooh, it's so pretty. We're doing it. I really didn't want to do this today. You can tell by the way I just jumped right in. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Love this color. I have to buy more color. Yep. I'm in trouble. It's covering the stripe perfectly. We're not having any issues there, so it's covering the pattern. Little bit of shadow here. No, it is popping through there. Look at that. It's okay. I like the stripe. I don't think on the second coat it's still going to be there, but maybe it will be. Kind of cool. Coat 1. You can definitely still see the stripe, which I don't actually hate. So it definitely will get a second coat, but it did cover very nicely. I love the shimmer See how the light's just kind of dancing off it. It looks different in the camera than it does in person. And these bright lights that I have, the 600 watt bulbs that we've got in the studio here, you're going to see a lot different appearance than in standard household lighting. So I'm happy with what I'm seeing when they're not on. Like, it's very pretty. I love this color. Looks very silver on the screen that I'm looking at. In person, it's more of a silver blue, and it's just stunning. And we're down about that much product. So from there, it wasn't completely full. It was maybe up to about there. Not much. The back's done and the stripes are gone. I'm thrilled. Look how pretty that is. That is so beautiful. The color. I know you guys are getting silver, but it is a silver blue. It's very blue. And then I look through the camera and all I see is the silver because you're seeing the light reflection. But I swear to God, I wonder, like, I wish I could get you close enough or a different angle to see the blue. This is so pretty. I got a late start to my day, so it's almost like 3 o'clock already, but that went so quick. We're going for it. I might be up late tonight. I got to get all the cat hair off. I'm going to use painter's tape to do that. Just the easiest way to do it in my world. So I'm going to just tape off all the cat hair, and then we're going to paint the front because that back went so slick, so fast, those 2 coats. I'm like, we're doing it. And the stains are gone. I'm loving this color. It is covering all of the icky little stains. And the yellowing and the fabric is so pretty. Look at, oh, it's so pretty. I'm almost out of the first 8 ounces. The other side panel, the side panel on the other side is done. The arm on the other side is done, and most of the back, and then the 2 coats on the back of the back. So we got a good bit of it done out of 8 ounces, but I definitely will need the second one, so I'm glad I bought it. Okay, I was able to finish this side and the arm, and I've still got some in here, so we're still going. I low-key did not think I would even get this arm done, but it's done. And the side. This stuff goes a long way. All right, I have officially used every last drop. I even used the stuff in the lid. And I got most of the back, the front of the back. So the back of the chair has 2 coats on it already, and that's done. This is 1 coat, 1 coat. I have the side of the chair and the side of the chair here. And then most of the back. So we'll be cracking into the next 8 ounces, but that went a good long way. I mean, seriously, that's good. So let's open the other one. So we got another 8 ounce, and it is again the Neptune. By the way, it looks really pretty on my skin too. And I'm wearing an opal today, and I thought, yeah, this is very appropriate because this is opalescent, this color. Victoria had come in. She just got home from work, and we have determined it looks like Elsa's dress. Little less turquoise, but that sort of blue shimmer that's on Elsa's dress from Frozen. Yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. Coat 1 is done. That's coat 2. There's a fraction left. There's just a frog left in the bottom. I am going to let this dry, see if there's anywhere I need to touch up on the piece, and then we'll go from there. But it looks pretty darn good to me. The wood piece on the front of this chair has come loose, so there's going to be repairs. That's going to be a different day because I don't think I'm going to be able to get to it tonight. Maybe I can. I don't know. I do like the wood, the brown, but I might want to put like a dry brush over the top and then distress it, just to give it a little something, get the detail to come out of those carvings. At least in my mind, that's what I'm seeing, is like dry brushing into the details. But right now, this took me about 4 hours. 4 hours to do. That's not too bad. Hang on. 4 hours exactly. 4 hours exactly to do the whole thing, and that's 2 coats. So 2 hours per coat. That's not too bad. You know, at least it's not a 3-day process or anything like that. I need to go make dinner, so I'm gonna go do that. And if I have time tonight, I'll make the repairs and do a dry brush. Otherwise, it'll be a different video. We'll see. I just did a test dry brush on the arm, and I'm definitely coming back to dry brush it. It's gonna look really cool. Okay, it is too late to continue on with the project after dinner and spending time with my family, but I do think I need another coat of paint. Let me show you. You can see uneven paint marks here, and I don't know if when it dries, it's dry to the touch right now, but it's still, I can feel damp, so I don't know if it will even out, but I can see streaks. So it may need another coat. The back looks fine. That doesn't look streaky even when I look at it from different angles, but this definitely looks streaky on this part. So, but it's looking so much better. So we'll have to come back and do this one more time. I may have to order more paint. Okay. So I don't know. I do have a little bit of paint left. We can try the Air Fix, which is their paint extender, to try and get a little bit of, I don't know, extra out of it, but otherwise it's super pretty. Like the repair down here, that'll have to be made. I'm not happy about that. And there's a whole little wobbly piece here I'm gonna have to deal with. Anyway, this is where we're at. She sure looks a heck of a lot better than she did before. You don't see any of the stains coming through, none of that, but just that unevenness. And again, it could be drying time. So let's let it dry down. We'll come back and take another look at it. But for tonight, it's as good as it's gonna get for today. So we'll come back and do the dry brush over the arms and the woodwork, fix the woodwork, and then determine at that point if we need to do another coat on the seat. So don't forget, if you want to get some Jacquard fabric paint of your own, order through the link in the description below. And don't forget to use my coupon code Peony for 20% off your first order with Jacquard. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy chunking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.